What's going on, World Wide Web? It's your boy, Marlon O Bennet, the original student of the game of internet marketing. Guys, welcome to all of you guys who are on my list, or either for you guys who are finding me for the very first time on YouTube, or you're already subscribed to my YouTube channel, guys. I want to talk about making money on the internet and how you can start making money from home, working from your computer, guys, or actually even simpler than that, how about working from your mobile device? Okay, because that's what I've been doing, guys. I've been doing that a lot. Now, you guys, this is going to be twofold because I'm going to try to address this for people who are finding me on YouTube as well as for the people on my list. For you guys who are finding me on YouTube and for you guys who are already on my list, you've seen some emails I've been sending you guys, and I'm talking about the Internet Lifestyle Pros. So, guys, we're going to be talking about making money from home, making money online, working on the internet, working from your mobile device with the Internet Lifestyle Pros. And how you guys can start doing it is how simple and easy it can actually be, guys. Okay, for you guys who know a little bit about my history, you know that I complicated this process for so many years, guys. And then, you guys, if you know my story, you know that I just decided to delete a lot of the nonsense that was going on around me, guys. I dug in, became a student of the game of internet marketing, and started using automated, done-for-you marketing systems. Fast forward with my best day being over $6,000 in sales and my best month to date over $10,000 in sales, guys. I'm super proud of myself. And I'm happy to share this kind of information with you guys because absolutely anybody can do this. Now, when we're talking about the Internet Lifestyle Pros, guys, what we're going to give you guys is, first of all, we're going to give you the basic fundamentals and the core foundation, or should I say to lay that foundation for your very own email marketing business, okay? That particular core foundation that we're going to give you guys, $1, by the way, unlocks the door through tens of thousands of dollars worth of internet marketing training that will show you guys how to go out and lay that foundation and start your very own email marketing business literally within the next 25, 30 minutes, maybe an hour. Now, with the Internet Lifestyle Pros, guys, what's happening is we're going to set you up basically with your own done-for-you marketing system. And this is where the process for you going out, working from home, and making money online will begin with the capture page that we're going to give you. I'm going to show you guys just how simple and easy this can be. Now, imagine, guys, you have a capture page that looks exactly like the one you're looking at right now, okay? When you are given that capture page, guys, your potential prospects, right, what you want to do is position yourself in front of other people, right, all over the world who are already looking for ways to make money online, looking for ways to make money on the internet, interested in starting their own business. You want to position yourself in front of those type of people. When you do that, guys, you do it with a capture page, okay? It doesn't have to look like this one, but this is the one we're going to provide you. We're going to give you a page that looks exactly like this. Now, when you have that page, guys, there's going to be all kinds of traffic sources we're going to be giving you guys that you can plug right into. And what you'll do when you have that page is you'll start sending what we call traffic to your capture page. And you're looking at it right now. And you come down here to the bottom, you'll see your name right here. You'll see your email address down here. And of course, to the right of that, it says send it to me. Once a prospect puts their name and email address in here and says send it to me, guys, they're going to be redirected to a page that looks exactly like this one. Okay? And as you can see, guys, at the top, it says sweet. You're almost in. To claim your $1 lifetime access to Internet Lifestyle Pros, simply create your login details below, guys, and you are off to the races. And you guys can be off to the races when you complete this form. Come on, guys, give us that $1, right? And when you give us the dollar, guys, you're going to unlock that email marketing training that we're talking about. And that's where you'll find all of this training inside of the Internet Lifestyle Pros members area. I'm not going to go through all of the information back here, guys. I can tell you this. You can have this thing completely set up, guys, in 4 simple steps. Actually, it's 3. It's not even 4, guys. It's 3 steps that you can have it completely set up. Now, once your system is set up, guys, again, you're going to have a capture page that looks exactly like this one. We're going to tell you where to run the traffic. When you run the traffic and people start to come into your funnel, they're going to be redirected to a page that looks like this. Once they pay the $1, guys, they're going to become a member of the Internet Lifestyle Pros, and Tim's going to take over, and he's going to walk your new people through the sign-up process. 3 steps, and you're done, guys. Now, here's the beauty of what we talk when we talk about a done-for-you marketing systems, guys, because when you're all said and done, you're going to have an email marketing campaign. I'm just going to let you guys get a quick look at mine. I don't care if you guys see it. I'm always doing for things I do. This is what it's going to look like. This particular email marketing campaign will follow up with every single person that's come through this particular capture page. Your email marketing campaign will continue to follow up with them. And when you get inside of the actual members area, you're going to know how to set all of those things up, guys. Very simple, very easy to do. Now, the other day, guys, I did a video. I was showing you guys a little bit of proof, progress, and report. I just pulled up a screenshot, guys, to show you that, yes, we are paid on time like clockwork every Wednesday, guys. And we're not just talking about one-time sales here, guys. We're talking about the opportunity for you guys to start creating residual income. Okay, which is beautiful. And if you don't know what residual income is, guys, that's the kind of income that shows up each and every single month, as long as the people that you introduce to the Power Lead system inside of our Internet Lifestyle Marketing, or should I say the Internet Lifestyle Pros marketing system, as long as they remain a member, guys, and who wouldn't, you continue to receive different payments, should I say, $20 payments in this instance for everybody that you bring in. You're going to see a lot more about the compensation plan because it actually gets better than that. But do understand, guys, that we are paid like clockwork each and every single Wednesday. So look, guys, I told you I wasn't going to waste much of your time, right? We're going to go right. I'm going to run you guys through this process one more time, let you know exactly how simple and easy it can be to get online and start getting or laying that foundation to start your own email marketing business, particularly with the Internet Lifestyle Pros. Once you guys become members of the Internet Lifestyle Pro, you're going to be invited to our private Facebook group, guys. All kinds of great things going on inside of there. And when you have your capture pages, guys, and it'll be more than one, it'll look exactly like this one or something like this one. You start running what we call traffic, guys, into your done-for-you marketing system and your sales funnel. When people come into the funnel, guys, they'll be redirected to this page. For all my go-getters and action takers, guys, and you'll be able to find a lot of them, guys, if you dig in. They're going to go on and pay that $1, guys, and they're going to unlock the training that they're going to find inside of the Internet Lifestyle Pros members area. At that point, guys, Tim takes over. He does his magic, really. He talks, put your customers, your partners, people you're partnering with. Tim's going to walk them through the entire process. Corinne Petty's back there doing her thing in terms of explaining a little bit more about the Power Lead system and how to get everything set up. But really, guys, if you're like me, you can have the whole system actually set up within an hour. Remember, guys, this is going to be integrated with an autoresponder that's going to follow up with your contacts as they come into your email marketing capture pages. And this is a way to automate your entire business. Okay, guys. And last but not least, guys, let's not forget the fact that once you guys start signing people up, guys, you're going to be receiving notifications that look like this. You have received a payment from Paylution. You have received a payment from Paylution. You have received a payment from Paylution. And you're going to be getting paid each and every single week like oh, guys, I'm tongue-tied, guys. I'm so excited. Like clockwork for every single person that you introduce to the system. So if you're not pumped up and you're not excited by it now, guys, check your pulse, okay? You might want to go to the doctor and get that checked out. But anyway, guys, I'm super pumped and super excited as always. And I'm going to leave a link right below this video for you guys on YouTube. You can find that link, guys, and you guys can get on inside. Good on and locked into that training, guys. Because again, whether you decide to partner with us or not, guys, the training that you're going to find here in and of itself is worth tens of thousands of dollars, okay? So for all my future students of the game of internet marketing, and for those of you who may already have your business, guys, The only thing is the power lead system is going to enable you to do, guys, just to build your business bigger, okay? Which is something that I continue to do with each and every passing day. Looking for real go-getters, looking for people who are hungry, looking for people who are ready to lock arms and join us, guys, in this great community inside the Internet Lifestyle Pros, right? Again, I'm tongue-tied. Anyway, for you guys who are on my list and you're getting this, right below this video, there will be a continue button right under there, guys. It'll take you to this page. Go ahead and get yourself set up, guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me at marlonobennet@gmail.com. Just don't forget, guys, to put question for Marlon in the subject line. Anyway, guys, got miles to go before I sleep. As always, this is your boy, Marlon O Bennet, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Always remember to give thanks to God, guys, because he can do anything but fail. I'll see you guys on the next video. Keep banging.